Today I am going to talk about high-speed photography. And in this video I'll be explaining to you how to take a high-speed photography and what other things has to be taken care when you're doing high-speed photography. Welcome to my channel. I am Anoop here. Why we need high-speed photography? Because normally human brain cannot easily understand in between sequence of moving objects. That means only the starting point end point can be easily understand. In such a situation, with help of camera, what we will do? We will capture in between frames, and this process is called high-speed photography. The image is captured from my hometown called Thrissur, Kerala, and during the vacations, like the kids used to play in the water. So the same day I was there in my hometown. So from there I captured this beautiful image. This is the story behind this amazing photographs. Coming to the technical part, to capture this image I used Canon 80D and the lens I used is 18-135 kit lens. And to edit this image today I'm going to use Adobe Photoshop, and also I'm going to animate this image with help of Pixaloop mobile application. Next I'm going to talk about how can we capture this image. What other things has to be taken care. So here I used manual focusing. I didn't use automatic focusing. If I am using automatic focusing, I may lose my focusing of the object because my camera cannot focus or track my object at such a speed of the object is falling. So to avoid the mistake, what I did, I set my focus as a manual focus. And to get the proper focusing, what I did, I focused at the water level. So I'm never going to miss my focusing. And I was using continuous speed for the photography. So I was keep clicking the photographs. So what will happen? I'll get set of photos. From that I selected one of the best image of this photography section. Along with this I used 1/2500 shutter speed. So I am going to get an amazing freezing photograph. And the f value was the normal f value 3.5 and the 20mm wide I used. Okay, and ISO was 640. I need to increase my shutter speed a little bit high, so that's the reason even I increase my ISO value into 640. So that is the EXIF of this entire image. Now I am going to open this image in Photoshop. In the Photoshop I am going to remove all these leaves over here, and I am going to increase the watercolor over here. I need to get more aquatic effects. Okay, so let's open it in Photoshop. So now I open the image in the Photoshop. Step by step I am going to remove everything. For that we have different options. The first option is spot healing tool. What will happen when you click over here, automatically the patches will be or the leaves informations will be removed. So what exactly is happening? The Photoshop automatically calculate the surrounding pixels of the image and it will fill over there. Okay, that is the one option. Another option is clone stamp tool. For that what you have to do, I'm just zooming the image with help of Ctrl++. With the help of Alt button, you can just select some pixels from here. Okay, I'm selecting the pixels from here and you can fill it over here. Okay, other option is what we can do, you can select the pixels with the help of laser tool. I'm selecting the pixels over here and just edit, fill, content aware. See, now automatically fill the pixel. It almost works like a spot healing brush tool. Okay, now here I am going to use the third option, edit, fill, content aware. For that what I am going to do, I am going to select all my pixels with help of laser tool. Okay, so for that, and I am going for F7 to open my layer. I am going to take duplicate layer of the master layer. Okay, and I am going to select all the pixel. Okay, for that again I am selecting the laser tool. I'm selecting and I'm holding the shift button and I'm selecting another selection. The same way we can select multiple selection in the image. When you press the space bar, you will get a hand. You can move the image however you want. And I am coming back to edit, fill, content aware. It will take few seconds. Photoshop is calculating the pixels from surrounding images. See, now everything is removed. Look at the before and after. Now everything is done. Now I need to enhance the color of the water. Okay, like kind of I just want to feel more depth into the water. So for that, what I'm going to do, I'm going to I'm selecting the adjustment layer, brightness and contrast. And next I'm going to select hue saturation, just increasing the blue tint little bit. And here I need to give more depth. So for that, I'm going to take the duplicate copy of this layer and I'm selecting the multiply option and I'm reducing my opacity. And I'm going to mask this area, water splash area. So for that, layer mask, and I'm going to take a brush tool, pressing the B button, or you can come over here and can select the brush tool and make sure that your foreground color is black. And I'm just selecting wherever I want. Okay, I'm reducing the opacity over here because I don't want much strength on the brush. So you will get kind of 3D effects over here. See, now your image is ready. And the final step is adding the watermarks into this image. So for that, I'm going to import watermarks. Now I imported my watermark into this image and I place in the right position. This is your final image. Now I'm going to take this image into Pixaloop for the animation, water splash animation. Now the image is imported into the Pixaloop and I'm going to animate. So for that, I'm going to select the first option called animate and I'm going to select the path. And with the help of path, I'm just drawing the lines. Okay, so only 3 lines is enough for me, and I'm going to freeze it, remaining area. So for that, I'm just painting the remaining areas. See, now I have animated the image, but I think I need to have some more animations over here. For that, I'm going to unfreeze some areas. And everything is perfect for me. Now we are animated this image with help of Pixaloop. Okay. Once again, thank you for watching this video. Also, if you are not subscribed my channel, kindly subscribe my channel and click bell button over there. I'll be back with another amazing video for you. See you. Bye.